and welcome back to our trading sessions. If you are new to this channel, then you should definitely subscribe because we are having trading sessions together, and also I share with you knowledge how to turn your trading experience into success. So guys, let's not waste time and let's get started. So guys, today we are going to trade with you using strategy based on technical analysis. And to help technical analysis, we are going to use RSI Indicator. This indicator will tell us oversold zones and overbought zones, which will help us further to analyze the market. So we are going to trade with you today on support, resistance levels, downtrends, uptrends, and other patterns and situations on the market. And of course, we are going to pay attention to the hints of our indicator. As you can see, this indicator is already connected to me. It is based under the chart. All the settings are left by default, and I will remind you what is the signal to open a deal. The indicator consists of two horizontal lines with a mark of 70 and a mark of 30, as well as green moving average. This signal is the moment when, for example, the moving average pushes off from the horizontal line and moves in the opposite direction. This means that the reaction has come from the overbought zone. There has been a reversal and the price is moving in the opposite direction. Also, when the price pushes off from the horizontal line with a mark of 30, it means that in the near future the price will move up. There will also be a reaction from the oversold zone. Also, for example, there are still situations when the moving average goes beyond the horizontal line, and the signal is also the moment when the moving average crosses the horizontal line, for example, from top to bottom. This is also a signal to open a deal. That is, as you understand, market situations are different. The indicator can also give out different signals. Each market situation is considered individually, of course. Also, don't forget to pay attention to support and resistance levels while trading with this indicator. Only a competent combination of technical analysis and indicator together will give us a good result. Be sure to watch this video till the end. I think there will be different situations in our trading today. You will be able to see how I work with this indicator, and maybe you will like this strategy and you will have success trading while using this strategy. So yeah guys, let's get started. Here we see that there is a good confident upward movement. There is also a certain resistance area at the top. At the same time, we also see that the moving average has approached the horizontal line with a mark of 70. In this situation, I propose to open a deal for 1 minute to go down. I think that in the near future there will be a reversal from the resistance level. The price will fall into the correction zone. There will be a reaction both from the resistance level and from the overbought zone. Just at the moment, we see that the moving average is starting to push off from the horizontal line and move down. I hope that we'll have time to work with you on this correction movement, and 1 minute here will be quite enough for us. So guys, let's wait for the result. I consider that's great guys. As you can see, the price really got into the correction zone. There was a rollback down. Here we get a good confident profit. Also, the indicator in turn told us a very good entry point, not a bad start guys. Let's continue and find another situation on the market. Here we have a resistance level. We also see that there was an upward movement and a breakout of the level. And at the moment after the breakout, there was a reversal. Let's open a deal for going down. I think that in the near future the price will also fall into the correction zone. There will be a pullback down. At the same time, we also see that the moving average has pushed off from the horizontal line and is moving down. I hope that we have time to work with you on this movement, and 1 minute here will be also quite enough. So guys, let's wait for the result. Well, that's not bad guys. As you can see, there was a slight attenuation, but still the downward movement continued, and here we made a profit. We have just worked on the correction after breaking through the resistance level, and these situations work fine. Also, the indicator turned out to be right again. So guys, let's continue find another situation. Here we see that there was a good confident downtrend. There is also a support level at the bottom, and at the same time we also see that the moving average is in the oversold zone. it is more likely that the reaction will come from this zone in the near future. So let's open a deal for going up. I think that in this situation also 1 minute will be quite enough. The reaction will come from both the support level and the oversold zone. I hope that there will be at least a small pullback up, since this is also the first touch of this level for quite a long time. And so let's wait for this out, guys. Not bad, not bad. As you can see, there has been a rollback and we are making profit here. We managed to work with you on this upward movement. 1 minute was just enough for us here, guys, and everything is going great. Let's continue find another situation in the market. Here we have a level of support. We also see that at the moment there has been a breakdown with a good confident impulse red candle. Also, the moving average is in the oversold zone. In this situation, I propose to open a deal literally for 1 minute to increase. And just at the moment, we see that the price has stopped. A green candle begins to form. Also, the moving average crosses the horizontal line with the mark 30 from the bottom up. This means that the price is more likely to move up in the near future, and in this situation it is more likely that there will be some kind of corrective movement and a rollback in the opposite direction. Since it's in most cases after an impulse in unidirectional movement and a level breakout, there is a correction and a pullback in the opposite direction. As a rule, in such situations 1 minute quite enough, and so guys, let's wait for the result. Alright, as you can see, the price really rolled up and we made a profit here. I have just worked on the correction after breaking through the support level. Everything is going great, guys. Let's continue that situation on the market. Here at the top we have a resistance level. We also see that after a confident upward movement and touching the level, there was a pullback down. At the same time, the moving average is also in the oversold zone. I think that in the near future there will also be a reaction from this zone and the price will turn around and continue to move up. Therefore, in this situation, I suggest opening a deal for 2 minutes to go up. Since we also take into account the fact that the price has an excellent potential for going up. After a pullback down, the reversal will surely occur and the price will move up to the resistance level. I hope that we will have time to work with you exactly on this movement. And we can just see at the moment the good confident green candles are beginning to form. And so guys, let's wait for the result. Excellent, guys. As you can see, the price really continued to move up. Here we get a good confident profit. Let's continue and consider another situation on the market. Here we have a level of support. We also see that at the moment there has been a breakdown of our level. At the same time, the price stops. In this situation, I propose to open a deal literally for 1 minute to go up. I think that in the near future the price will fall into the correction zone. There will be a rollback in the opposite direction. Also, we see that the moving average has crossed the horizontal line from the bottom up. There is a reaction from this oversold zone, and just at the moment we see that the good confident green candle has formed. I hope that we will have time to work with you on this upward movement, and so guys, let's wait for the result. Okay, excellent, guys. As you can see, the price really got into the correction zone. There was a reversal and I get a great confident profit. Meanwhile, I already have $3,000 on my deposit. I propose to open another last deal for today. So give me some time, I'll find the situation and we will continue, guys. Here we also have a level of support. We also see that our level has broken through. The price is moving down slowly but surely. Also, we see that the moving average is in the oversold zone. Also, at the same time, we see that attenuation occurs. A green candle begins to form. In this situation, open a deal for going up. I think that in the near future there will be a reversal and at least a small pullback up. Surely there will be a reaction from the oversold zone. I hope in this situation we will have enough time to work. And yeah, guys, so let's wait for the result. Okay, that's not bad at all. After a slight attenuation, there was an upward pullback. This is where we make a profit, guys. As you can see, 1 minute was just enough for us. We have also just worked on the correction after breaking through the support level. Also, the indicator in turn again showed us a very good entry point and helped us to determine the further price movement. I already have $5,500 on my deposit, and I propose to end this because I fulfill my trading plan for today, guys. That's it for today, guys. All the market situations worked out perfectly. With the right approach and experience, this strategy works excellent. And to boost your experience, of course, you need only one thing, which is practicing. If you want to go further, then I want to tell you that I have a closed group where I'm sharing trading signals for free. This is a closed group with a limited amount of people, and if you want to get into this group, then text me a code word signal on my Telegram. The link will be down below. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, put a big thumbs up to this video, and turn on notifications so you don't miss my new videos. Let's boost your trading experience together and see you in another video. Bye bye!